So here we have the LG Tone Free Earbuds UT90Q, a pair of TWS earbuds with a focus on secured fit for better sounding experience. They look and sound great, and they come with plenty of features to please all of the audio fans out there. Now first of all, before we get into it, full disclosure, this video is sponsored by LG, and they've sent me these earbuds for free to review for you guys. If we start with the unboxing, we get the charging and carry case, a USB-C charging cable, a USB-C to 3.5mm audio jack, extra UV nano ear tips, and then finally the manual. Now the rounded pod-shaped charging case looks great. We've got an LED indicator on the front, a switch to enable the use of analog inputs on the side, and then of course we have the earbuds inside. I really like the sleek design, and when you open up the case, we've got blue LEDs softly lighting up the earbuds, which is a very nice touch. If you've got an Android phone, the second you open up the case for the first time, it's going to appear on your smartphone asking if you want to connect them, so pairing also could not be any easier. When we remove the earbuds from the casing, you can see they're modern looking earbuds with a unique new ergonomic design. LG have focused on making a comfortable, well-fitting earbud to ensure maximum audio quality, comfort and noise cancellation. The ear tips are medical grade silicone ear gel for added comfort, and we also have a powerful UV light built into the charging case. Now when you place the buds inside the case, the UV light is going to sanitize the ear tips as well as the speaker mesh, and this can reduce bacteria by up to 99.9% within 10 minutes of charging. Now this is a great feature for cleanliness, but it's not an excuse to be lazy, so you still need to clean them. In terms of fitment, they fit very comfortably in my ear, and it's a nice snug fit that means no movement of the earbuds while doing more active activities such as running. For the runners out there, they are also IPX4 water resistant, so whatever the weather, you can get out there and enjoy your music while running. In terms of sound, we actually have the world's first DOLBY Atmos wireless earbuds, and along with the DOLBY head tracking technology, this really helps immerse you into the content. You can move your head around and the sound will always come from the same direction. There's also an EQ built into the Tone Free app that converts normal stereo music into a spatial experience to make you feel like the audio is happening around you rather than just played into your ears. We have a pure graphene unit with large drivers for deep bass, and this paired with their bass boost EQ is great for those of you that want heavy bass from your earbuds. LG have also continued their partnership with MERIDIAN Audio to deliver headphone space processing and deliver a much more natural listening experience for your music, movies and TV shows. Now the sound from these earbuds are great. They produce a nice balanced sound across all of my music genres and also offer a nice amount of presets to fine-tune the experience. We get nice and crisp highs, smooth mids and a nice balance, but it can be deep bass if you want it. Now in the Tone Free application, we've got plenty of EQs to choose from, and I mainly found myself using the immersive EQ. We've also got the Dolby Atmos head tracking and virtual sound feature, as well as 2 custom equalizers. Now we can use these to really fine-tune the audio to our preferences, and it's great that we can actually save 2. Now the only thing here is that I did find it a little bit awkward to use these sliders in the custom EQ, and it would have been much easier if we just had some up and down buttons to press instead. Moving on, we've got the ANC settings where we can have it turned on, turn it completely off, or have the ambient sounds also come through, and in here we can choose between listening mode or a conversation mode to hear voices more clearly. They have enhanced adaptive noise cancellation and do a great job at cancelling out the ambient noises without adding that artificial sound that I've experienced with some other ANCs. Now in the lab settings, we can have the UV nano always on, we've got a special game mode to reduce the latency of the audio, as well as a whispering mode where you can actually use the right earbud as a mic and quietly speak into the earbud. We also have customizations of the touch controls on the earbud, and for each earbud you can set an action for tap once, tap twice, tap 3 times, and we also have a 4th touch and hold. Now it's great that we can customize all these buttons, but to be honest, I was happy with the default settings, so I didn't change them. We also have a best fit test, and this just plays some music in your ear and it lets you know if they're fitting well or if they need a bit of adjustment. It will advise if everything sounded good, or it may suggest that you need to try a different ear gel or even just slightly reposition. We can enable autoplay pause to stop the music automatically when you remove them from your ear. We can also lock the touchpad, and we can even enable voice alerts to read out our text messages. If you lose your earbuds, you can also press Find My Earbuds on the app. The earbuds will then play a chirping sound to help locate them, so all in all, a great set of features. Now, one of my favourite features about these earbuds is actually the ability to use a 3.5mm analog source. Every time I'm at the gym or I go on a plane, I don't use the onboard entertainment because of course I use TWS Wireless earbuds and I just can't connect them, but that now changes. With the supplied USB to 3.5mm headphone jack, we can connect the charging case to any 3.5mm input and then still enjoy the wireless audio. Now, this has actually been great for me as my older OLED TV in the bedroom doesn't have Bluetooth. I go to bed a lot later than my girlfriend and I have to watch TV at a very low volume with the subtitles. With these LG Tone Free earbuds though, I can connect the case to my TV's headphone socket and finally enjoy watching TV in bed with audio. Now overall though, I'm incredibly pleased with the Tone Free earbuds from LG. They've got plenty of improvements over previous generations and a nice sleek, modern look to go with them. The extensive features and customizations really mean that this can be your only set of earbuds and provide you with everything that you need. Now, they are on the premium side with a cost of $229.99 for the USA and then £199.99 for the UK, but they do deliver that premium experience to go with it. For those interested, I've placed the links down in the description below, so you can go ahead and check them out now. But hopefully I've covered everything you wanted to know in this video, but of course if there's anything I've missed or you've got any questions at all, then just leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, smash a thumbs up. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down twice, and I'll see you guys in the next one.